Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So today I and my husband, we went to Hisense and LG office here in Ikeja in order to purchase new washing machine because the ones we have at home, they are all spoiled and we are tired of repairing them. So we decided to buy new sets and save us the stress of trying to call the people to come and repair it and all that. So after we were done purchasing the ones we want, because I told my husband, let's buy washing machine separate and air dryer separate, because the ones we normally used to buy or we were using before that got spoiled, they were all 4-in-1, like it washes, it rinse, it spin, it's air dry. But this time around we decided to buy it separate, in the sense that this one now that he's pushing inside is a washing machine. As you can see, this is washing machine only, while the one inside is the air dryer. Once the clothes are done washing, we will move them to the air dryer. That will enable them to last longer, because the previous ones we were using, washing is just, you have to wash only 20 kg of clothes, and for you to air dry, you have to air dry 15 kg of clothes. But the people in my house will just set everything automatic, which ends up spoiling the washing machine. So in order to prevent such from happening, we had to buy it separate. That is, washing machine separate and air dryer separate, in the sense that when we are done washing the clothes, we'll just bring them out and put the required quantity in the air dryer, and it will automatically dry it before we will now go and keep it in the room. And this is just the best, especially if you have a lot of people living with you. If it is just me and my kids, I would have been able to operate it. But since I have other people living with me, I decided to go for this, so that once they are done washing their clothes, they will have to select the normal quantity that will be okay and put it inside the air dryer, and it will dry it, and that will enable the air dryer to last longer. Unlike before, that they will set everything automatic, and if the clothes are more than 15 kg, that is overload. It will end up spoiling the washing machine, because you are meant to wash only maybe 15 kg of clothes and air dry 10 kg of clothes. It's usually written on the body of the washing machine, but I guess a lot of people do not follow the instructions or get to read them and apply it. So that is why we decided to go for this. This one that I am currently opening is just a washing machine. You can't air dry with it. So once we are done washing clothes on this one, we'll just transfer the necessary quantity of clothes to the other air dryer, which is this. This is just an air dryer. You can't wash with it, you can't rinse with it. It's just for you to air dry your clothes. When it is done air drying, you just take your clothes, arrange it very well, and go and keep it in the room. No need of some drying. This machine will just do its job very well. So, and it will also enable your washing machine to last, and there won't be any situation whereby the clothes, the machine is loaded with lots of clothes, because it is only the required kg that you will put inside a clothes before it will start working. So as you can see in this video, he is fixing it for us. He's actually our plumber. He's the one that does all our plumbing works and all that. When it comes to the water, even it comes to bathing tubs, fixing those things and all that. And he is good at his job. So as you can see, he's texting them, fixing them before I will now start making use of it as an enjoyment officer. Kudos to my husband for making life easier for me and the kids. I truly appreciate you. I love you. So as I was saying, as you can see in this video, the plumber is trying to fix this machine, washing machine, so that I will now start making use of them. Yes, as you can see in this video, yes, this one is just the washing machine, right? Yes, so once he is done fixing them, I'll start making use of it. So don't forget to subscribe. The previous ones I was using, they were LG. They are quite good though, but since we have purchased two different algae and it keeps giving us issues. I am not saying that the machines are not good. It might probably be from our side. Like I said, overloading the machine with clothes and not sticking to the requirements. Like you have to only wash 20 kg of clothes and air dry 15 kg of clothes. But sometimes my people do set it automatic in the sense that if the kg of clothes is 20 kg, then which means when it is automatic, it will end up, becoming an overload to the machine. So I am not trying to say that LG is a bad product. It is a good product. But since we have already used them twice and we were still experiencing same thing, we decided to switch to Hisense. So this is Hisense machine. And as you can see, I am now loading the machine with clothes so that I can test them and see if it is going to work, because the plumber is done fixing it. So as you can see, I've already loaded it with two bed sheets, towel. What do they even call it? So I've already loaded it with clothes. I just added just two, and as you can see, I am already adding the detergent. Yes, there are specific detergent for washing machine. Mine has finished. So I decided to just use this one so that I can be able to be sure that it is functioning before the plumber leaves. So as you can see, I have already loaded the washing machine with blankets. Oh, now I remember blankets. So I have also added the detergent and I am now about to put it on and set it. Yes, you have to set it and be sure that you have set it well before you can now put it on. As you can see, that is what I am doing and it is functioning. As you can see, I am setting it. It will wash, it will rinse, it will spin, it will dry, but it won't air dry. That is the work of the other machine. So once it is done washing, I will now transfer the clothes into the other machine. That is the air dry, and it will dry it very well before I will now move the clothes, arrange it and put it in the room or wherever it is I am supposed to keep them. So as I was saying, this is the previous ones we were using. It got spoiled, we got tired of repairing them, and we had no other choice than to get a brand new one. Yes, this one, we have been using it for the past 2 years. It's an LG machine. Yes, as you can see, we are moving it into the room so that we will see enough space in order to keep the brand new ones that we bought. LG is a good product, yes, but everything depends on you using them well, adhering to the instructions, making sure that you service them when necessary. They're actually 2 in number. This is the second one. So as you can see, it is watching. It is watching already. I'm excited. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, it is watching. I am waiting till when it is done so that I can transfer one of the blankets into the dryer so that it will dry it before I will now fold it and take it to the room. Ta-da! So the clothes, they are done washing, and I am now putting one of the blankets inside the dryer. As you can see, I am operating it now, and as you can see, it's already drying. Ta-da! Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Wow.